How to fix TikTok search. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok search easily. So the first thing you have to do is open the settings page on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager like this, and after that just wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find TikTok and then click on the TikTok app. And after that, all what you have to do now on this page is click on the force stop option. Now all what you have to do is very simple. Just open this option, it's called storage, and after you open it, now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do here is click on clear data and then click on clear cache. After you click on them, now you have the last thing to do is just click on this open by default option. Now right here, make sure that this option is on always allow. Now restart your phone and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.